children. Today once more I am here in front of you with photography. It's an activity which gives you a feelings, which gives you a sense, emotion, and you are only able to keep the record of history of each and everything related to you. So here you will find that mind is such kind of thing in which we used to divert, we used to create, we used to explore. And nowadays there are so many people, in the world, those who are doing record of themselves and their connection to the world around them. For more visual people, the act of creating art through the lens of a camera can be a relief. It's a kind of relief. As well as in other activity, it is there. You can connect yourself, you can do involvement within you, you can explore within you, and art are some of the only escape. Art are some of them only escape. Some have to nihilistic existence, and as such what you put in the frame of the camera reflect the truth of what is within yourself. Though everybody knows, those who are doing this class, watching this, that photography is an art of expression, of creativity, imagination of human. primordial hunger to create art, you know. Art that tells expression, and art allows us to siphon from within into the world. The presentation of visual story through your camera, our camera, is the art that you create, because it is what you push yourself to create by single button. Photographers paint the world with their camera, painting shadows and lights, adjusting the temperature and tint of their images, using their imagination to make their images tangible and expressive for those that may view them. Others are not able to view it. As technological advancement occurs, photographers are given the ability to more and more of unrestricted by their tools, and thus focus purely on artistic expression. The photographers preserve the photographs, and I think you can preserve the memories. A photograph is a depiction of something with meaning. One photo is powerful enough to remind you of an event or an occasion. Memories that we lost resurfaced. We see a photograph and it brings you back to the time when it was captured, and something remains vivid in your memory. And memory is something beautiful, so beautiful, like a phoenix, free, flying in the vast custom of heaven, which is just through away, a call away, a glimpse away. You see a picture and you can relive your own moment in that picture or taking that picture. Imagine a picture you are looking at is from a previous trip you took. By just looking at the picture, you can feel every ins and outs of that trip, how good the weather was and how beautiful, how the view of the hotel room. Photography allows you to preserve your spatial memories and let you relive the brief memory of emotion that you had in that time and you will have for next time. Every time you will find yourself with these kind of memories. in all the natures that we have been blessed with, from the small system to the vast Milky Way and the space that lies outside our view, from the middle of the ocean to the snow-capped peak. It is all memorizing, beautiful, and the camera allows us to take a moment to smell those roses. Look closer from the viewfinder. Adjust your lens. Put the landscape in the frame. Take a deep breath and capture it. Let it be a marvel to explain the world of nature and life. Let it be a moment you remember. Photographs can help you appreciate nature photograph also, and you can make it a part of your memory by making it a part of your gallery. So it depends on you how you are going to do it, how you can do it, but you start doing it. As soon as you will start doing it, you will be able to help yourself to energize your brain, your memory, and other people also who are related to you. So thank you very much for today. You try your level best, but you start it, and start with your memory. Start with your focus. Start with any of the lens of your camera. It may be digital camera, it may be phone camera, but you do not leave it as it is. You must try to capture each and every moment as much as possible for you, and you will enjoy later with your memories. So you enjoy. Thank you very much, and thank you very much once more for doing all this photography. Do photography, do photography, do photography.